Hey everybody, my name's James. I am the co-coordinator with the Emerging Leaders Workshops, and today I'm here with Susan Markham. Our next workshop is actually going to be Susan talking about your life, design, and all of your wellness goals and things of that nature. Susan is from Awakening Consulting, and here she is to tell you a little bit more about the workshop in February.
Thanks, James. It's good to be here with all of you. So we're going to be exploring what it looks like to proactively design your future, to have a future of design, not default, not based on the circumstances that you wound up with, but really based on what your purpose is, what gives you energy, life, inspiration. You know, if you think about it, there's one you. You take you everywhere. You might accentuate certain aspects at work, tone down certain aspects at work, and so on and so forth. In your relationships, in your health and fitness, you bring you everywhere. So we're going to explore, how do you design a you that really is aligned and a match for your purpose in life. We're going to have fun, we're going to learn some new things, and we're going to get started on designing that future now. So I'll turn it back to James. He can give you the where, when, and how.
Yeah, so thank you, Susan. The event's going to be happening at Keller Williams Real Estate the first Thursday of the month in February. We're going to be there at 5 p.m. and the event will run to approximately 6 p.m. So if you're an MBA member who is an emerging leader in your work organization, then you're more than welcome to come. And if you're a first-time guest, then it's on us. You come on over and check it out. I hope we see you there, and I look forward to a great event.
Thank you.
Thank you.